Welcome to our channel dedicated to all things pet care. Today we are diving into the world of canine convenience with our guide to the 7 best dog ramps of 2024. Whether you are looking to ease your furry friend into the car, onto the bed, or simply provide them with easier access to their favorite spots, we have got you covered. Stay tuned as we review and compare the topics to help you make the best choices for your beloved companion. At the first position of our list, we have PawStep 50524 6-to-1-inch portable folding PetRamp in slate black, your ultimate solution for enhancing your pet's mobility with style and convenience. Crafted with a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, this ramp boasts a foldable design, making storage and transportation a breeze. Equipped with a non-slip surface, your furry friend can ascend and descend with confidence, ensuring safety at every step. Its adjustable height feature allows for versatility, catering to various surfaces and heights, whether it's assisting your pet into the car or onto elevated surfaces like beds or couches. Effectiveness is paramount, and the PawStep 50524 delivers seamless transitions for pets of all sizes and ages thanks to its sturdy construction and impressive weight capacity. Built to last, this ramp is constructed from durable materials, guaranteeing longevity even with regular use. Concerned about affordability? Fear not. The PawStep 50524 offers exceptional value for its quality and features, ensuring you provide the best for your furry companion without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have Woohoo Dog Ramp, the ultimate companion for your furry friend's mobility needs. Designed with innovation in mind, this ramp comes equipped with an innovative non-slip rubber mat, ensuring stability and safety for your pet during every use. Crafted with both functionality and aesthetics in focus, the Woohoo Dog Ramp boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends into any home decor. Its foldable structure makes storage and portability effortless, allowing you to take it on the go or tuck it away when not in use. Effectiveness is key, and this ramp delivers on all fronts. So whether your pet needs assistance getting into the car, onto the bed, or any elevated surface, the Woohoo Dog Ramp provides a gentle incline for easy access. Its steady construction and impressive weight capacity make it suitable for pets of all sizes and breeds. Durability is paramount. The Woohoo Dog Ramp is built to last, constructed from high-quality materials. It can withstand regular use without compromising its integrity. Worried about the price? Rest assured, the Woohoo Dog Ramp offers exceptional value for its quality and features, ensuring you provide the best for your pet without breaking the bank. Next up at number 3, we have PetGear supertraX ramps for dogs and cats, the pinnacle of pet mobility solutions. With a focus on design and functionality, this ramp is a game-changer for pet owners seeking ease of use and reliability. Featuring a unique supertraX mat, this ramp provides unbeatable traction for your furry friend, ensuring safe and secure passage every time. Its innovative design incorporates a gentle incline, making it effortless for pets of all sizes to ascend and descend from elevated surfaces such as cars, beds, or couches. Crafted with durability in mind, the PetGear supertraX ramp is built to withstand the test of time. Constructed from high-quality materials, it remains steady and stable even with regular use, promising long-lasting performance. Effectiveness is key, and this ramp delivers exceptional results. Its wide base and impressive weight capacity cater to pets of all breeds and sizes, providing a reliable solution for improving mobility and accessibility. Worried about affordability? Fear not. The PetGear supertraX ramp offers incredible value for its quality and features, ensuring you provide the best for your pet without breaking the bank. Next up at number 4, we have the WeatherTech PetRamp, your trusted solution for enhancing your pet's mobility and safety. With its innovative design and premium features, this ramp is a must-have accessory for pet owners on the go. Crafted with durability in mind, the WeatherTech PetRamp is built to withstand the voices of daily use. Made from high-quality materials, it offers long-lasting performance, ensuring your furry friend has reliable access to elevated surfaces for years to come. Featuring a non-slip surface, this ramp provides optional traction, giving your pet the confidence to ascend and descend with ease. Its portable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, whether you are hitting the road or visiting friends and family. Effectiveness is paramount, and the WeatherTech PetRamp delivers outstanding results. With its adjustable height settings, it accommodates various surfaces and heights, from cars and trucks to beds and couches, catering to pets of all sizes and breeds. Concerned about affordability? The WeatherTech PetRamp offers exceptional value for its quality and features. You can provide your pet with the best in mobility and safety without breaking the bank. The number 5 position is held by TRIXIE 39-inch PetRamp, the perfect solution for pet owners seeking a portable and reliable ramp for small cars. With its thoughtful design and array of features, this ramp ensures your furry companion can access your vehicle with ease and safety. Crafted with durability in mind, the TRIXIE PetRamp is built to last. Made from high-quality materials, it can withstand the demands of regular use while remaining steady and stable, providing your pet with reliable support. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, this ramp is highly portable, making it ideal for small cars or on-the-go use. Whether you are running errands or embarking on a road trip, you can easily bring along this ramp to ensure your pet's comfort and convenience. Effectiveness is key, and the TRIXIE PetRamp delivers exceptional results. Its non-slip surface provides optimal traction, giving your pet the confidence to navigate the ramp safely. With its gentle incline and wide base, pets of all sizes can ascend and descend with ease. Worried about affordability, the TRIXIE PetRamp offers excellent value for its quality and features. You can provide your pet with the best in mobility and safety without breaking the bank. The number 6 position is dominated by Foldable Dog Ramp for large dogs, the perfect solution for assisting your furry friend in and out of your car with ease and safety. Crafted with both convenience and your pet's comfort in mind, these dog stairs offer a practical and durable design suitable for large dogs of all breeds. Our dog ramp features a foldable design allowing for easy storage and transport when not in use, whether you are embarking on a road trip or simply running errands around town. This portable ramp ensures your canine companion can accompany you wherever you go without hassle. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with our foldable dog ramp. Its sturdy construction and non-slip surface provides stability and traction, minimizing the risk of slips and falls for your pet. The gentle incline allows for smooth and comfortable access to and from your vehicle, making it ideal for senior dogs and those with mobility issues. Built for durability, our dog stairs are constructed from high-quality materials that withstand the weight and activity of large dogs. Despite its premium features, our foldable dog ramp is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for its effectiveness and convenience. Upgrade your pet's travel experience with a foldable dog ramp for larger dogs and ensure their safety and comfort on every journey. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Collapsible Dog Ramp, the ultimate solution for pet owners seeking a versatile and reliable ramp for their larger dogs, compatible with SUVs and cars. With its innovative design and array of features, this ramp ensures your furry friend can access elevated surfaces with ease and safety. Crafted with durability in mind, the Collapsible Dog Ramp is built to withstand the vices of daily use. Made from high-quality materials, it offers long-lasting performance, promising reliable support for your pet. Featuring a collapsible and telescopic design, this ramp is highly adjustable and portable, making it perfect for use with SUVs and cars of various heights. Whether you're traveling or running errands, you can easily bring along this ramp to provide your pet with the comfort and convenience they deserve. Effectiveness is key, and the Collapsible Dog Ramp delivers exceptional results. Its non-slip surface provides optimal traction, giving your pet the confidence to navigate the ramp safely. With its steady construction and wide base, it can accommodate larger dogs of all breeds with ease. Worried about affordability, the Collapsible Dog Ramp offers excellent value for its quality and features. You can provide your pet with the best in mobility and safety without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the top dog ramp options for your furry friend. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more pet care tips and product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep wagging those tails and providing the best for your four-legged family members. Bye for now.